Alright, quick update on Decentraland mana. So, in the past few videos we made for this coin, we outlined that we do have this big M pattern. We do have the price target of that M pattern down here at 183. And we also said, best case scenario from this breakdown, because we flipped bearish on this coin once it broke below 270. I said best case scenario, we kind of come down, bounce off the 200-day moving average, and then we'd have to reevaluate the market once we do get back to here. So we have done the more conservative position. Obviously, this is still very valid and potentially a likely scenario. We did pretty much come down like almost 20% already, so I wouldn't necessarily be quabbling about going down another 12%, but we did come down, we tested the 200-day moving average, and we're now poking our head above this neckline. So this is pretty bullish in my opinion. I would like to see a daily close above this neckline at 272. I believe that if we do put in some closes around 272 and start going back up, we would have definitely broken this micro bearish structure. But do bear in mind, if we do zoom out in the macro term, you can see that we're literally touching the 618 now. So this is the most important level. This big red line is not just the neckline of the M pattern, it is also the 618 from the low to the all-time high. So this is a very important level. If we do manage to get our heads above 272, then I do think that we would have a massive rally for Decentraland. And I do believe at that point Decentraland would carry a lot of these other metaverse coins. Whenever these metaverse coins do move, they do move in tandem. I personally do only cover mana on my channel, but if you would like me to branch out and cover your own metaverse coin that you like, leave a comment below and I'll give it a check out. So yeah, that is basically all I see for mana. I don't need to make this video super long, simply because this red line here is so significant. The red line kind of around 270, 272. So in my opinion, if we are able to close a couple of dailies above 272, I think that would be very bullish for mana. So that is all I see. Do bear in mind, if we do come down below this red trend line, we could expect a very hefty drop coming in, especially if all of the crypto markets start dumping. If we wake up tomorrow and the stock market starts to go down and this was just a dead cat bounce, then I believe that the dollar would be pumping, the total crypto market cap would be dumping, and Bitcoin would be dumping, and that would be bringing down all of these altcoins and specifically mana. So in the macro term, we're very much bullish. Disregarding the 618, which we're above, which is obviously very bullish, we're now above the 200-day moving average. We've retested it twice, so the 200-day moving average is very much a key level of support on mana. You can also see that this big descending channel that we've been in for a while, I mean, we broke above it, we put in an M pattern, but it seems like we've back tested this and we're going to be heading off to the races. So personally, for myself, I am sitting on the sidelines for all of these altcoins. I am personally sitting in Bitcoin right now and waiting for a more, a bigger decision in all the markets. For me, I am sitting on the sideline on altcoins until we do break above this previous micro high at 46,000, at which point, if we do break above that level, then I would be very happy to enter some mana for a short-term gain. So that is all I see for mana right now. Keep your eyes on 270 to 272. As long as we hold 270, we should be good. But if we're going to be really bullish and start talking about more continuation, I'd like to see like a close around 272, which we're at now. So I mean, if we close at 272 today, that would give us a little bit of room to come down to tomorrow. And then if we did kind of close tomorrow, which is the Sunday weekly candle, around 272, then we could see a big rally incoming. So that is all I see for mana. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.